Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rainbow light at home. First, gather your materials: a clear glass of water, a small mirror, and a flashlight or direct sunlight. Fill the glass with water and place the mirror inside at an angle. This simple arrangement is key to refracting light effectively. We'll then position our light source to hit the mirror through the water, creating a stunning spectrum. The magic behind a rainbow is all about light refraction. When white light, like from the sun or a flashlight, enters the water, it slows down and bends. Each color within that white light, from red to violet, bends at a unique angle. This slight difference in bending causes the colors to spread out, much like a prism, revealing the beautiful spectrum we call a rainbow. To set up your rainbow, find a sunny spot or use a powerful flashlight. Place your glass of water on a surface where light can hit it directly. Submerge the mirror partially in the water, angling it to reflect the light. Experiment with the mirror's angle and the light source's position. You'll soon see a vibrant rainbow projected onto a nearby wall or ceiling, bringing color to your room. For the most vibrant rainbow, try projecting it onto a white or dark surface. A darker background really makes the colors pop. You can also experiment with different light sources, like a powerful LED flashlight or even your phone's light, to see how the intensity changes the rainbow. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home's ambience. Enjoy your homemade rainbow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.